This quick guide will teach you how to clock in using Gusto Wallet. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, this tutorial will help you navigate the clock-in process with ease. First, let's talk about why using Gusto Wallet's time tracking feature is beneficial. This tool not only simplifies the process of clocking in and out, but also ensures that your hours are accurately tracked. This is crucial for both you and your employer to maintain a precise record of your work hours. Now, to get started, you'll need to access your Gusto Wallet account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your employee dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage everything related to your work schedule and payments. On this dashboard, you'll find the time tracking section. It's conveniently located to make clocking in and out as seamless as possible. When you're ready to start your shift, look for the teal clock in button. It's designed to be easily noticeable, so you won't miss it. Clicking this button will initiate your shift timer. This timer is essential because it marks the beginning of your work period, ensuring that every minute of your hard work is accounted for. Once you click the clock in button, it's a good idea to double check that the timer has started. This simple step ensures that your hours are being tracked from the moment you begin working. If you ever encounter any issues with the button or the timer, it's best to reach out to your employer or Gusto's support team immediately to resolve the problem. A helpful tip while using the Gusto wallet is to make it a habit to clock in as one of the first things you do when you start your shift. This practice can prevent any accidental missed punches, which can lead to discrepancies in your timesheet later on. And that's it. You've successfully clocked in using Gusto Wallet. Remember, the more consistent you are with using this feature, the more accurate your work hour records will be. This accuracy not only ensures you're paid correctly, but also helps your employer manage payroll efficiently. I hope this tutorial has made the process clear and straightforward. With these steps, you can confidently clock in and focus on what really matters your work. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with your colleagues who might also benefit from understanding how to use Gusto Wallet for time tracking. Thank you for watching, and have a productive day.